got the Snapdragon 865 and it's got 12 GBs of RAM. Plus for the gamers, it's got these two buttons so you can actually shoot people like this instead of using the screen.
Gotta say, it's crazy fast. The response time is amazing. I really love it.
And I see that the gaming experience is great.
Full power, amazing performance.
It's really a powerful phone, man.
Totally power packed.
That's absolutely a monster inside, Mike.
iQOO.
Wake up the monster inside. Dare to do different. Dare to be different.
iQOO. There's a monster waiting to be unleashed. A monster inside. IQOO3 Monster Inside. iQOO. There's a monster who's only getting hungrier. He wants more than he can have. He won't stop until he has it all. He fears nothing. Each second, he only grows bigger, badder, stronger. There is a monster waiting to be unleashed. Right here. Right now. Look closer. There's a monster inside. IQOO3 Monster Inside. iQOO.
I got the new iQOO3. Go get yours now.
iQOO.
Stay supercharged with iQOO.
iQOO.
I got the new iQOO3. Go get yours now.